video, we have seen how to do operations with string, some example of concatenation of string and formatting string. And we have also seen a couple of example of different methods that we can use when we have a string. In this video, we're gonna learn about Python Boolean. Boolean is a very important concept in Python. Not only Python, in any programming language, Boolean is very important. Though it accepts only true and false, but when we write any conditional statement, when let's say we want to say if the user is authenticated, we want to redirect them to the login page, or not authenticated or not authorized, we want to redirect to different places. Those places, Boolean is very important on any conditional statement. Now here is example. We can use mainly when we talk about condition, any condition when it's a Boolean. Now one of example shown is here is 10 is greater than 9, and we know that if we print, it's gonna give us a true. And here it is. If we say less than 9, we will have false. So as I mentioned, it can have only true and false. Now it can be applied to any condition, as I mentioned. Equal 9 equal 10 is equal to false. At the same time, we can write multiple conditional statement. Right, for example, let's say a user has a score equal to, let's say, 60, and based on the condition we want to assign A, B, C, D grade. Let's say if score equal let's say 50, we can say initially we can say grade equal to none, and here we can say grade equal to A. We can say else if score equal to 60, we can say grade equal to B. Now this is not only true when we talk about if else with a equal, we can press like, okay, is less than 50, we assign F, and whenever is greater than 50, we can say P, or maybe pass. Now let's see if we print what happened. We see pass, and let's say user got 20, it failed. Now it can be anything, right? I mean, these follow all the example, but we can have n number of condition, like if greater than equal to or anything, it works. Now some of the values that are false, this is very important. If we try to false is false, none is considered false, 0 is false, empty string is false, empty set is false, empty array is false, empty hash map is false. Now this is a default false value for any string. One of example I can show is here. For example, if I have if I convert to empty string, you'll see that this will be false. At the same time, if I say empty array is false, what does it mean? Now this can be translated to something very important concept that we always forget. Let's say I have a score equal to none, and Now I want to have a conditional statement, a state score equal to or less than, right? By default score is false. So if I say score print score, right? Now since it's false, there's been nothing printed. Now if I have a value, is it true? So that's all for our Boolean statement. We're gonna go for operation list tuple in the next chapter.